Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. My name is Lacey and this is my art channel. First of all, if you hear any loud noises or shouting in the background, I apologize. My husband is doing D&D with his friends. I'll try not to capture it, but it may happen. So in last week's video, I talked a little bit about the struggles with the video I was creating. I planned to post it this week, but I actually just had to postpone it one more week. I promise I'll talk all about the struggles in that video, and I also promise that it will be next week because I'm finally done filming the video. I just need to edit it now. Since I didn't post that video this week, I of course had to come up with a different idea. This idea has been floating around in my brain for a while and now it's coming into fruition, so let me explain. So there's a popular art YouTuber. Her name is Moriah Elizabeth. You can see I'm a huge fan. I'm pretty sure I've watched all of the videos she's ever produced. She's a big inspiration to me and my channel, so you can imagine that I was very excited when she created an art app called Spark. It was a pretty cool app. There was a canvas, and if you clicked it, it would give you daily prompts to create art. It had a huge fan base. There were many ways within the app to connect with other artists, and it was a lot of fun. I had created a couple of videos using Spark just for fun, trying to share my art, etc. Somehow, I'm not really sure how, but when you searched Spark at Moriah Elizabeth on Google, my video was the first one to show up, which was kind of crazy because, as you may know, I had less than 500 subscribers. I can't imagine that I'm first on YouTube for anything, especially going up against Moriah Elizabeth, who has millions of subscribers. This led to a lot of comments and views and likes on my video, which I super appreciate. Most of the comments were just people asking for my help with the app, which was fine. I don't mind helping when I can. Unfortunately, and I don't know why, but on March 27th, 2024, Moriah Elizabeth decided to discontinue the app. You might have noticed I was talking in past tense. It's because you can no longer use the app. At first, I saw a lot of rumors with the app. Instead of posting artwork, sometimes people would just post text so they could talk to one another, and they were saying that the app was going to be discontinued. So I went onto the Spark Discord and I saw this message. Dear Sparklers, it has been an amazing 2 years bringing to life Spark's safe and supportive creative community. Thank you for being such an incredible sparkler and helping us build this amazing experience. Your creations made us smile and brought light to so many of your fellow sparklers. We are sad to share the news that we will be closing down Spark. We hope that other online communities continue to forge forward with making creativity accessible to everyone and as a way to build human connection. We know you will continue to sparkle, and we very much hope you keep sharing your art. Spark's last day of service will be Wednesday, March 27th, 2024. And as of today, you will no longer be able to make purchases in Spark. We recommend that you use your remaining sparkles to pet the amazing verified sparklers before Monday, March 18th, 2024, and be sure to contact Apple for any subscription refunds. Apple handles all refunds, and the Spark team will unfortunately not be able to process them for you. You have made some wonderful creations. Please be sure to download any creations you would like to keep directly from the Spark app. After March 27th, 2024, they will no longer be accessible, and we would hate for you to lose them. If you have any questions we can help you with, please email us at support@playspark.art. Thank you again for supporting Spark and making it such joy for us to build. If you would like to stay in touch and be notified of any creativity projects and experiences that we will build in the future, please fill out this super quick 30-second form. Best, Opie and the Spark team. Which was very sad, of course. I don't know why she decided to discontinue the app. She hasn't mentioned it on her YouTube channel as far as I know. I have since received a ton of comments from people looking for the app and not being able to find it or not being able to access the app. So that's why I decided to make this video. Just to let everyone know that yes, unfortunately, Spark is gone. We're all sad, but we still have Moriah Elizabeth and her videos to look forward to. The Discord group is still going. It's called Art Park. I'll try try and link it in the description down below if you want to join it. I'm on the Discord, but to be honest, I haven't really had a look around since it stopped being affiliated with Spark. I'm not a mod, it's not my Discord, nothing like that, so proceed as you wish. And we still have a lot of online communities where people get together to do art. I'm trying to create a community on my own YouTube channel, and I love that so many of you are understanding and accepting of making art and being an artist, and I hope that I can be that for all of you as well. Anyway, I'm showing all of the art I ever created on Spark. Spark wasn't the easiest app to use in regards to making art, so I don't think that the art that I created is the best that I can make, but I always loved all the prompts. It was really fun creating art, especially art that I'm not sure I would have created without those prompts. So if you ever want me to recreate any of these, you should let me know. I hope that you enjoy seeing all of them. I think there was over 100. I'd have to say that my favorites are maybe the pear, the chicken, or the king. If you see them in this video, consider putting a pear, a chicken, or a king in the comments below, or maybe like a crown for the king if there's no king. Also, let me know if you'd like to see any of these characters again. I would love the chance to draw any of the characters I created on Spark again. I'm going to end my video here for now. I don't know whether I'll continue uploading on Tuesdays or not. I was uploading on Mondays, but because of last week's video getting messed up, it pushed it to Tuesday, and then I got pushed to Tuesday this week as well, just because that other video was just taking so much time and effort to get it done. I hope that all of you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing all of you in the next one, and I will see you next time. Keep creating. Goodbye now.